Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable using Experian Boost for credit building, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Experian Boost for credit building, begin by visiting the Experian website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log in to your Experian account. Navigate to the Experian Boost section on the website. Read through the information provided to understand how Boost works. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to link your bank account. This step allows Experian to verify your payment history for eligible bills. Choose your bank from the list, or enter your bank's website manually. Log into your bank account using your online banking credentials. Once logged in, select the specific utility and phone bills you want to include. Review the payment history to ensure all relevant payments are selected. Confirm the information by clicking on the appropriate button. Next, Experian will provide a summary of the estimated credit score increase. Review this information carefully before proceeding. After reviewing, accept the terms and conditions. Submit your information to complete the Boost setup. Your credit score will be recalculated, reflecting the newly added payment history. You will receive a confirmation once the process is complete. Monitor your credit score regularly to see the impacts of Experian Boost. Remember, Boost can help improve your credit score over time, so keep using it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.